Hey Fisher family, Fitz coming at you with a new video, catching dinks in December. We're also going to be checking in on Alex Rudd, whose channel has just had some unbelievable growth over the past couple of months. He's on the Monster Bass team with me, and I also kind of did a small little shout out to him on a previous video. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Once again, Bubba. Yeah. Oh my Lord, look at that.
Hello, fishy family.
Oh, Ben's got one. There you go, bud. There you go. That is a catfish. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. Yep, I got one, baby. Oh, yeah. You grabbed that on the... Oh, look at that one, baby. Woohoo! Yeah. Aren't you pretty? Look at that. You got one? All right, baby. All right. Get a camera. What are you feeling? Gonna hold it? Nope. Yes, my. Oh, I got her now. Oh no, I got her. She's hooked. Yeah, baby. Biggest one of the year now. Oh, yeah. I've been looking for you. Put you back in. There you go. There you go. Let's go. We're here at Pure Florida Water Sports in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Oh. Hey, what's up?
I can post. What's up, dude? Oh,
Thank y'all so much. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. You made your point.
Guys, this is Rick at Monster Bass. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from Fishing with Fitz.
Hey fishing family, Buddy Joe's here. Check out Fishing with Fitz.
Right on. There you go, baby. Thanks for the ride. There we go. Yeah, there we go, baby. Oh, you a little aggressive, ain't you? Yeah, no, I got you. Oh, yeah. There we go, baby. There we go. All righty. Dirt right underneath there and got you. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Back it up, because I'm pretty sure you ain't the only one. Man, you little. You little. Not bad, though. All right, yeah. Piece of side. All right, yeah. All right, baby. Thanks for the ride. Ah, easy. See, I'm trying to toss it in the middle of the... There we go. Got another one. There we go. Yeah, baby. Oh, easy, easy. There you go. Oh, no. Come right here. Yeah, you little too. Yeah, Yeah, we got you too. Oh, you choked it though, didn't you? Yes, you did. You choked it. Coming up shallow, chasing those shad. Yep, little though. God bless. Thank you for the ride, baby. Hopefully they're schooling over there. Oh man, I got bass chasing my line. Look at that, they're chasing they're trying to the vibrations of my chatterbait. Oh my Lord, they're going nuts over here. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, you decent size too, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Little Kermie strikes again. Oh Lordy, okay. Calm down. There we go. Yeah. Just barely got you. Nice dark color. He's little. You gotta find some bigger ones. I see him schooling. I found some bigger ones. I know there's big ones in here. I caught them. They're all on the bottom right now. I see it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Dinks in December. Now we're going to check in on Alex and see how he's doing. One of his previous videos that I just recently saw, he actually went deep sea fishing. So let's check in on that.
Well, boys and girls, here we are. Another episode, but today we're doing something completely different. We're actually, as you can see, in a little bit different boat, in a completely different environment. We're out here in the salt water doing a little bit of deep sea fishing today.
Must be great to expand the horizons on the channel and get to go deep sea fishing. I can't wait to do that on my channel.
Hey, no. Hey,
Oh Lord.
Getting the spills today.
hey. Ow. Oh, it's in there deep? Yeah, just give me a pair of snips. You can snip it, it's all the way through.
Good snip.
There's the ferret.
I hope he's all right.
Yep, that'll cut that hook. Got it? Until you see it. Because my foot, leg, ankle, fibula, whatever, you know, the big, you got a big bone in your leg, you got a little bone that connects to the bigger bone that connects to your ankle. That bone is broken. You can see the picture here, you can see the break there. Yeah, so ended up breaking my leg or foot, ankle-ish area all down there, whatever it is, it's broke.
Alex is a fellow YouTuber and angler. I wish you a speedy recovery, and I know you can't wait to get back on the water. Being a former firefighter and being your bud, I'll always be there to pick you up when I'm done laughing. But you know what? Here, You know what, everyone? Let's ask Alex if you. Hey, Alex, are you cool? Are you cool with a friendly little roasting? Oh, we're gonna rip something. Dang, dude, you're supposed to find your sea legs, not break it.
Sit!
Harry, I'm fairly certain Mr. Henderson said sit, not break and hook. Whoa, Legolas, friendly fire, friendly fire.
Put that man a beer.
Give that man the seat.
Or would you like me to find you a box?
Be very, very quiet. I'm fishing for Sasquatch. Ha! Harry on! Oh, man, it's got a good beat to it, don't it?
This my sh. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Hey, you want to hear that music?
We suck! I'm going inshore so we can get a smaller fish. We can
That one was way too big for me. Good job, dude. That was way too big.
All right, you hook them and watch out, watch out, watch out.
Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Alex, thank you so much for being a good sport. Please, guys, make sure you go sub to Alex and, of course, give him some well wishes for his speedy. You know, give him well wishes and prayers for a speedy recovery. Alex, thank you so much for being a good sport, man. I appreciate you being on board with these. Anyway, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you're new to the channel and you actually have enjoyed what you've been watching, please give me a subscribe. Make sure you get bell notification. Don't forget, we still have the 600 subscribers giveaway that we're going to be announcing the winner on this Saturday. So I will leave a link for that video up here. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.